the south, they said. It'll be warm, they said.
Man, it is cold. We are at Lake Corpus Christi,
Texas.
in Texas.
Yeah, and it's cold, and it rained and rained and rained and rained, but just north of us, they're getting snow all day. So, kind of nice we don't have that going on. Although snow for one day is kind of fun, right? But it's cold.
Oh, that wind bites. It's like 40 degrees, and actually it's a very wet, humid, kind of cool. Like we're back in the Oregon coast in the winter, kind of like.
Yeah.
Except we're in South Texas.
Yeah. We gotta keep moving.
Oh.
Man. We're gonna head further south.
We're such wimps.
I know, we really are.
Waiting.
Ooh. Whoa! Look at that.
Okay.
I love Texas.
I'm done filming. I'm gonna eat now.
Between this and the barbecue, I'm all about Texas. That was delicious. Yeah, let's head on down the road. We might make it to Galveston State Park. We don't have reservations, we're just gonna wing it, and then if that doesn't work out, we're gonna find something else, so.
We'll do something different.
It's just what we do. Okay, no sites available and no overflow, that's full. Day use, we can do day use and then figure out something for tonight, but it's getting late and she said all the trails are flooded right now anyway, so no hikes. So we're just gonna regroup and figure something out for the night.
Just watch as the carries roll with it.
Yeah. Roll with it.
I couldn't get on yesterday to see if there was any available on the website. It wouldn't show.
Well, you know, these things happen, so we'll figure it out. We're on a ferry ride. This van's inaugural ferry ride, I think.
Definitely is, yeah. Hopefully first of many.
Yeah. So we kind of were left scrambling because we didn't plan ahead and didn't really find another suitable place in Galveston for the night. So we're hopping the ferry over to the other side, and there is a rest area kind of right by the ferry terminal.
We've stayed there before.
We've stayed there before. One time we stayed there and the mosquitoes were so bad we could not get out of the van. They were swarming the van. That's what I remember about this place. So hopefully it's a little different this time, but yeah. So we're ferrying across. Super windy, but
yeah, it's just a travel day. We just thought about just keep moving because it's been 43 degrees, super windy. So may as well make some tracks.
Yep. Moving right along. Good morning.
Morning.
I slept in today. I slept till 8 o'clock.
What does that mean when you don't have a schedule?
I know, but we've been getting up fairly early. Just sometimes these long driving days really exhaust me. I'm not even the one driving, but you know, I'm on ride alert the whole time, so. Yeah.
Where are we going on?
That is a very good question.
East?
East, because we can't go any further south. We're as far south as we can go right now, so maybe we need to get to another state that goes further south, get some warm weather.
That would be Florida.
Would it?
It would.
Would that be weird that we were just there and now we're going back? Nah, we can do whatever we want. Freedom, man.
Freedom van?
Freedom van, yeah.
Freedom van.
No doubt. All right, let's see what the day brings. Well, there's this campground area in Welsh, Louisiana, but it looks like the only spots are pretty flooded right now, so it's probably gonna be a move it along situation. Want to see our glamorous spot we had last night? Wait for it. Oh yeah. Atchafalaya Visitor Center rest stop area.
The funny thing is, we've stayed here several times. It's kind of a great little spot to stop. There's a real nice visitor center with a museum, but the RV parking is over there,
Yeah.
and it's pretty quiet. And usually we're kind of alone, but they have security here, and it was pretty well,
It was filling up last night.
like 8, 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Security came over and asked all the van length RVs to move to the car parking area.
So they could have the bigger spots for the bigger RVs or trailers or whatever. So we were over by the cars,
It was noisy.
and it's closest to the freeway, so it's super noisy with the truck traffic. But you know what? You get what you pay for, and and we're here, so we're not complaining.
We're gonna go try to find a campground. We're not too far from Fontainebleau.
Fontainebleau State Park.
We stayed there a few times. It's a cool place, but if it's been raining, it gets really wet.
So we don't want to reserve a spot because we want to make sure we see the spot first to make sure it's not flooded.
So if they have a camp spot for us, they have laundry there. We need to do laundry, and I don't want to go to laundromat.
We need to do laundry. That is a fact. We made it to Fontainebleau State Park.
I love just saying the name.
In
Fontainebleau.
Yes, if we're saying it correctly.
Yeah.
I know, I mispronounce things. This is in Louisiana, and this actually is on Lake Pontchartrain. And there's a long, is it like a 24-mile bridge that connects this side to New Orleans?
Yeah, I think it's 23.8 mile long.
Okay.
bridge.
So we're out for a walk with the Pistol Girl, and we're gonna go check out the lake. Man, the sun is deceiving. It is cold. I thought I could get by without a jacket, but it's pretty chilly. And it's breezy. So the bridge that connects New Orleans and us on the north side is along the horizon there. And
Barely make out New Orleans.
yeah, which
haze.
on this camera I don't think you can, but it's right in this area here. I'm gonna go back and do some more laundry. They have laundry here, which is really nice. Dave's gonna go for a bike ride. And yeah, we're just gonna hang out.